Pulling some inspiration from the Red Hot Chili Peppers today, because it just hit the 20th anniversary of Californication. I'm gonna do like some semi-live looping using the Stratocaster here, Focusrite, GarageBand, and I'm just doing guitar today, see how that works, and maybe I'll turn it into something afterwards. Just has like that classic signature Red Hot Chili Peppers clean tone. Kind of gives it like that stadium arcadium feel. Gave it a little bit of that distortion. So it gives like that classic type of John feel from the Peppers. Even like in his self-titled albums, he uses that type of effect. We'll see how this edits together. This song's called Asbestos.